This video shows you how to use the PyAedt feature to create HFSS projects from Python. I am using my Python/Qt antenna program to easily create a complex antenna shape placed on a PCB. Here is an example of shaping your bow tie to your specific ideas with your desired features that you program into your Python code. Implementing your shape into Python gives you all flexibility over using standard antennas provided by your regular tools. Your Python program, you can set up a HFSS session to simulate your design. From your Python program, you set up layer and material properties. Then you send your design that might have been difficult to set up in a general tool otherwise. An excitation port must be added, as well as simulation setup and frequency sweep properties. You can automatically launch a HFSS simulation. In this case, I continue to work in HFSS and add an impedance Smith chart and a 3D radiation diagram. So far, the impedance looks okay, and also the bandwidth satisfies my needs. The radiation diagram reveals shape and maximum values as expected. This finishes the demonstration of this new great feature in HFSS.